Hello, my name is Lauren Meister and I'm the student teacher in the 5th grade classroom this semester. This video is to show our 5th grade scholars families some quick study tips to work on multiplying and dividing fractions at home. So at the beginning of this unit, students are learning how to interpret fractions as division. So for example, 6/3 is the same as 6 divided by 3. Okay. So to help your scholars see this relationship, ask them to split things evenly into groups. For example, if you have 2 waffles for breakfast and 4 people need to eat them, how many waffles will each person get? Well, we have 2 waffles that need to be divided for 4 people to eat. That's the same as 2/4. We can show this in a picture. We have our 2 waffles. We divide them evenly so that we have enough for 4 people to eat them. Okay, so each person gets 2/4 of a waffle, which just means 1/2. Secondly, students are learning how to multiply a fraction by a whole number. So students can expect to have to draw a tape diagram to represent a problem and solve word problems about finding a fraction of a measurement. So for example, their problem would say solve by using a tape diagram, 2/3 of 18. So we have our whole diagram, which equals 18, but we need to find 2/3 of it. So we need to start by breaking it into thirds, and this is what we're trying to find. So all 3 of these units together equals our total 18. Now to find 2, it's easier just to find what each one is first. So 1 unit, we're just dividing 18 by 3, which equals 18/3, which reduces to 6. So this one is 6. So to find both units, 2 units, we are simply multiplying our 6 times 2, which equals 12. So 2/3 of 18 equals 12. Now something you can do at home is ask the student to split something into groups, similar to the waffles problem. So what is 3/5 of these 25 blueberries? So you want to find what value is 3 groups out of 5 groups. So they'll split their 25 blueberries into 5 groups and see how many there are in 3 of those groups. Okay. And then to practice multiplying whole numbers and fractions, you could also play a game. So all you need is a deck of cards. You'll take out the jacks, queens, kings, aces, jokers, anything that's not a number card. You will pick 2 cards, so that will be your fraction. So let's say I draw a 3 and then I draw a 5. You always want to make sure your smaller numbers is in the numerator on top. Then the student will pick a card, and that will be their whole number. Let's say they pick 7. Now you want to multiply across the top. So 3 times 7, and then multiply across the bottom. 5 times 1, because a whole number is over 1. That is 21/5, which reduces to 4 wholes and 1/5. Thank you. Happy practicing.